In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page from one Canva project to another. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this process is quite straightforward and can be a game changer when managing your Canva designs. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by visiting the Canva website. Head over to canva.com and locate the login button, which you'll find in the upper right hand corner of the home page. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Canva offers several options to log in, so you can choose to sign in with Google, Facebook, or your email address, making it super convenient regardless of which platforms you regularly use. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the Canva project where you wish to add your copied page. Navigate to your existing projects and choose the one that requires the new content. When you're in the project, add a blank page to it. This blank canvas will serve as the placeholder for the page we're about to copy over, ensuring that you have enough space and flexibility for your design needs. Now take a look at the bottom of the editor screen. You'll notice a toolbar, and within that toolbar you should see an icon or button labeled Projects. You'll want to tap on that to open up your project's overview. From here, switch over to the Designs tab, which will allow you to browse through all the individual designs that you've created or collaborated on. Select the design containing the specific page you want to copy. If your design involves multiple pages, you'll need to pinpoint the exact page you want to move. Simply tap on that particular page. It's important to be precise here, as choosing the wrong page might disrupt the flow of your project. Once you've highlighted your desired page, Canva will automatically add it to your current project. The copied page should now seamlessly integrate into your new design, ready for further editing or tweaks. This feature is especially useful for maintaining a consistent style across multiple projects without starting from scratch. And there you have it, you've successfully copied a page from one Canva project to another. This method not only saves time but also ensures that your work retains its original quality and creativity. I hope this guide helps streamline your design process, making your Canva experience even more enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for other tips and tricks on maximizing your Canva skills.